It's Martin Lehner here from Orange Technology, and this is a field trip video. So, as you guys know, I'm from Whitehorse in the Yukon. So again, I'm on the Canadian side of Alaska, and so most of you who are watching this video, you guys are probably from major metropolitan areas. You guys have lots of box stores, lots of resources. If you need to go buy something, you guys can probably just go and buy it. You know, being in a more remote area like the Yukon, again, the city I live in is not that small. It's 28,000 people for population. However, we're quite limited in terms of you know, shops and resources where I can go and get specialized items. There are a few large box stores where I can, you know, go and buy a laptop or a monitor or that kind of thing. But if I need something special, it has to be ordered. So we got a call this morning from a client. They need, so they have an industrial crane within their warehouse, and they have a system that runs this crane, but it's actually running the operating system Windows XP Embedded. So if you guys don't know what Windows XP Embedded is a special version of Windows XP that was designed specifically for industrial type uses. So like, you know, machines that run cranes, machines that run industrial saws, CNC machinery, that sort of thing. So anyway, so we have a client, they have this crane, you know, it's a bit of an older crane. So the machine that was running it was, you know, 11 years old or something, and it died. So the crane's not operational. They've got this crane in their warehouse, they can't use it. So they need a replacement machine. Now, because of what the machine is, we contacted the manufacturer, and it will only work with Windows XP Embedded. So, unfortunately, I can't buy that anywhere in town. So, what happens is, actually, again, being in Canada, and anybody who's watching who's not from the United States will understand this very clearly. We don't have things like overnight shipping. We can't get something from Amazon overnight the next day. We can't even get it the second day. So what's actually happening is the manufacturer of this crane is going to sell us an embedded system. They've sold it, and they are going to ship it into Alaska. So we are headed to a town called Skagway, Alaska. Skagway is a very small town. Population is about 900 year-round. It's about an hour and a half from Whitehorse, so it's not very far, and it is over the border. However, Alaska has next day UPS, which is kind of interesting because, again, I can't have something shipped to Whitehorse for next day air. It doesn't exist. However, we can ship to Skagway, Alaska, small little place way up in Alaska, and they will ship it overnight. So, you know, that's something for you guys to think about in terms of, you know, the resources you have and the ability to get things really fast, where a lot of us don't. We have to order things, we have to wait. You know, bottom line, if I was having this shipped out of Whitehorse, it would probably be about a week. And unfortunately for the client, they need this crane operational, so they can't wait a week. So here we are. We're driving to Skagway, Alaska to go check our mailbox there and grab this machine and go home and install it. So yeah, that's pretty much it.